What's up, everybody? Harry here, known as Trade Shop, and today bringing you this quick update. And yeah, basically looking at Bitcoin, we're still in this range, and the range, it's pretty clear now. To the downside, we have 48,500, and to the upside, technically we have 50,000 is a range, but ideally I would like to see price close above 51,000 due to these wicks for upside continuation. As long as we're not breaking these ranges, then I look for this area to be accumulated. Could we have wicks lower? Yeah, for sure. Is wicks a problem? No. Any closures a problem? Yeah, then I look for us to come down to 44,000 and then we can speak about it then. But uh, looking at price, essentially it's in a range going sideways, very nice and simple today. And unless we're breaking above this level here at 51,000, I'm not excited. And if we do, I do see price come up to 54,000 minimum. I think it would come up to, on a 4-hour closure minimum, it comes up to 53,200. If we do break below this pivot here at 48,571, then I look for price to come down at 45,000. Now looking at momentum should be, it's almost crossing down. Uh, do we have any trend lines here? you know, it did catch this sort of regression, not a trend line, but a regression. You can see that. So that was nice to see. That's pretty good. That regression has been coming from uh, last month, basically. And yeah, what lows has it caught? That regression has been, yeah, all of these lows in where the accumulation period. So very similar, behavior, like where we see Bitcoin accumulated, and we were talking about that accumulation. Just make this inexistent. This candle here, just remove it. This is just a pump. So block it out of your mind and look at this, so just look at it without, and you can see we were in accumulation and it caught all the lows of the accumulation. So that indeed could be a low. And yeah, I'm just looking for Bitcoin to range and then eventually break out and then continue up and onwards if I'm going off trend of the higher time frames. But of course, we have our downside pivot. Not very bearish at the moment. Looking at the 2 day, you know, we do have a chance to put in a low in today. If this candle closes if it closes like this, I won't be satisfied, but if it closes a bit, with a body, then, we might be able to call this a low, and then guess what it is? It's a higher low. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. And Ethereum, on the other hand, a little bit more scary on the higher time frames because we've broken our last low. So if Bitcoin doesn't get its act together, then Ethereum could see, a catastrophic drop because it is on the higher time frame breaking structure. And yeah, if we do break this wick here at 1496, I do think we come down and probably have a nice drop to at least this range here at to the previous wick, of course, and maybe continuation. But it hasn't happened yet, and we'll see how it goes. I'm basically looking for it to range as well. And yeah, with that being said, remember, guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.